my name is Avanthika. I'm in 5th grade and I'm doing Scratch computer coding and having a lot of fun with it. So when you click the flag, the cake will ask you how old you are, and you can type in a random number or how old you are, and it will set that number of candles, and then it will light the candles with the flames, and then stars will appear in a grid arrangement, and the balloons will appear and then disappear when it reaches the edge. So first the cake, as soon as you put in, when the flag clicked, the cake will ask how old you are. So you have to put the ask block, and then you make a variable and then set that variable to the answer you put in. So if I put in 10, then you have to set the variable to 10, and then the cake will broadcast a message to the candle so the candles can be lit. And then the candle, it will create clones of that candle how many ever times you put in, and then it will put in correct spacing and make clones and show the clones. And as soon as that's done, it will broadcast flame so that the candles can be lit. And when the flame reaches the message, then it will make that many clones like the candle, and then make it so that it looks like the candles are lit. And then it will broadcast a message to the star sprite, and then the star sprite will change to a random color, and then it'll make a grid arrangement into 7 columns, and
It's 7 rows. It's 7 rows basically. Okay.
in
Okay.
7 rows, and it'll make 12 columns, and it changes the X and Y so it can be in a grid arrangement. And then it broadcasts a message to the balloon sprite so that when it receives it, the balloon will go up, the balloon will create clones, go up, and when it reaches the top, it will disappear, and meanwhile it will change its appearance so it will sort of look like a ghost. And but for the age, you remember we did the age coding for the variable. So for the variable, the number you put in the beginning will show on the circle in the middle of the cake. So there are costumes, and in the costumes, so since we put 10, it'll change the costume to 10, and if we put 1, then it'll just change the costume to 1.